1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now instead of doing the same step over and over again, I can progress across the floor. So my progress, since I'm already progressing on my first 3 counts, as a lead, I would go 1, 2, 3. Now instead of coming back on 4, I would move 4, 5, 6. So I would progress 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now if I want to change my direction, I'll come in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the next step I would go into is a back rock step, where I'm going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Leave the hand in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. I would come back and lock my partner and then back to the basic step. 3, 4, 5, 6. So again it would go open, 2, 3, 4. Close the step and change 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The next step you can try is the cross step. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now what I'll do is, as a lead, my left leg would go move across and I would guide my partner back 1, 2, 3. My fourth step would go 4, 5, 6. So the ladies in this step would move their footsteps back. The first and the fourth step would move back and the gents would move front. So it's 1, 2, 3. This is a box step. 4, 5. The cross step would go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lock and back to the basic again. 4, 5, 6. So I'll take it from here. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back to the basic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The next step we do is the promenade. It's a very common step used in ballroom dancing, and the promenade would go this way. So the basic is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. Now lock on the third step. Bring my partner in on 4, 4, 5, 6, and then get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here both your partners move inward on the fourth step. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So both the partners will move on the fourth step inward. 1, 2, 3 inward, 4, 5 and 6. Then basic 2, 3, 4,